Hi, this is Katie Head, and this is my final presentation for EDET 650 as a requirement for the Master's in Educational Technology at the University of South Carolina. For my internship, I participated in the Central Piedmont College, also known as CPCC, Instructional Design Internship Program. Within this program, I designed an interactive course for the Professional Development Department. The course introduced mentoring processes and programs at CPCC. My advisor was Chantel Strickland Davis, Director of the ID Internship Program and an instructional designer at CPCC. My internship took place remotely. There are many goals I hope to reach within this internship. I wanted to be able to create an online model using an online course using the full ADDIE model. I wanted to learn authoring software, and I wanted to create exemplary work that could be used by CPCC in the future. The internship program had a structured guideline that followed the ADDIE model for creating the course. I was also given a project definition document which defined objectives for the course. These included identify the tools to be a successful mentor, describe the mentoring process at CPCC, investigate mentoring opportunities at CPCC. While the course topics and objectives were provided to me, I had to analyze the available content and resources related to mentoring at CPCC and what needed to be supplemented by the course. The resources I had to work with were a PowerPoint that was currently being used for training and various landing pages on the CPCC website with no central home. From these, I was able to develop a course outline and define assessment strategies. I met with Miss Strickland Davis and Miss Mary Cantor, the head of CPCC Learning Assessments, for approval and feedback on these documents. The design stage started by creating a branding guide that would define the look and feel of my course. This included the color scheme, fonts, and basic layout. This was all created in PowerPoint. After my branding guide was approved, I created a detailed storyboard. This was the layout of each screen of my course, including interaction instructions and narration notes. I created this in Captivate. I enjoyed this stage as it let me put my ideas in a visual form and helped mold what I wanted my course to become. My storyboard was reviewed and feedback was implemented. Once my storyboard was approved, I started developing my course in Captivate. This proved to be a challenging stage of the internship. It took a lot of trial and error and extensive research to learn how to use the tools in Captivate and how to create interactions. I had to revise some of my original interactions because they were out of the scope given the time allotted for development. After I completed the development of the course, I created a script and also performed extensive Q&A to work out bugs and make sure that everything ran smoothly. I met with my advisor several times throughout this process and received feedback and notes for improvement, so there were several revision stages. Once my course was finalized and approved, it was implemented among a pilot group of volunteer faculty members at the CPCC Professional Development Office. I was not present for the implementation given the remote nature of the internship program, but was assured that the pilot implementation went smoothly and none of the participants had technical issues with the course. Participants were asked to complete a survey at the end of the course to rate the effectiveness and overall experience of the course. My course received the highest marks out of the internship program, which awarded my course most user-friendly. Based on this, my advisor felt there was very little, if any, revision that will be needed to be made to this course in the future. In conclusion, this internship was a fantastic opportunity to participate in a full lifecycle instructional design project. I greatly improved my design and development skills, and now can say I know how to use Captivate 9. I feel like I met all the goals I set for myself and could not be happier with the work I accomplished.